What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to install Kali-Linux on your Windows 10 computer, and it's going to run on your computer just like an app. So first thing we need to do, we have to make sure our system is up to date. So you can click on Start and then you can click on Settings, and in Settings just click on Systems, and in here click About, and you have to make sure you're running version 2004 and make sure it's 19041, and it doesn't have to be Enterprise, it can be a Home Edition as well. And if your system is not up to date, I already made a video about it, how to upgrade to 2004. You can refer to a link right now to the top right corner, or there's going to be a link in the description below. And if this video is going to be helpful to you, and if you're still watching, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And we're going to continue. So first thing we need to do, we need to open our PowerShell and we need to install Windows-Subsystem-Linux. So click on Start and type PowerShell, and then once you see PowerShell, right click on it and run as administrator, and then click yes here. Here's the first command that we have to type, and I will put all commands in the description below, and then just press enter. And then we need to restart our system here. Just press Y and enter. Once your system reboots, we need to open PowerShell one more time and run as an administrator again. And now we need to run one more command, and then just press enter. And then one more command, and then press enter one more time. And once this is done, we need to restart our computer one more time. Once your system reboots, we need to download WSL2 and install it. Just go to this website, and I will put a link in the description below. And then we just have to click on download the latest WSL2 Linux kernel, and then click run here. And then we just have to go to the setup. Yes here, and then finish. Now we can close the web browser. Now we need to set up WSL as a default version. So we need to open PowerShell again and run as administrator. Type this command and then press enter. And now we need to open our App Store and download Kali-Linux. We can minimize this and then just open your App Store, or just open Start and type Store. And in here, click on the search bar and type Kali and press enter. And right here, choose Kali and then click on Get. And right here, if you're not signed in, you can just click No Thank You and you can just install it. And I think you can just close this window because it's still downloading right here. Okay, once the download is finished, we can close the App Store, or you can click on Launch. I'm just going to click on Start and I'm going to type Kali and I'm going to launch it from here. Okay, once you get to this page, what we need to do, we need to come up with a username. I'm just going to type ATech and then password. And that's it, you're done. Kali-Linux installed. But probably your next question is going to be, where is GUI? You can't see because it's all command line interface. We're going to do that right now. Here's the next command we have to type in this terminal. And then press enter. And right here we'll have to put our password. Once this is done, we need to type one more command. And then press enter. And once you get to this page, just select your language and then press OK. Okay, once this is complete, there is one more command we have to run, and then press enter. And once this is installed, now we need to start XRDP service. And then press enter. That's it. Service is running. So there's one more thing we need to do. We need to type IP add and then press enter. And right here, we need to copy this IP address. And then we need to open remote desktop connection. And then type this IP address, the one we just copied, and then click on connect. And then in here, you can put a check mark, don't ask me again, and then click yes. And in here, we need to type our username and password, the one we created earlier. And then press OK. And that's it. Once you log in, now you have Kali Linux running on your Windows 10 PC like an app. And you can click on here and you can see some of the tools that already were pre-installed by default. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.